Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung washer check valve ball. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new check valve ball. The check valve ball is part of the check valve assembly that goes in between the water inlet valve and the door boot seal. The main reason to be changing it out is if the ball is damaged and the check valve is leaking. In order to get to the part, we have to take off the top of the washer. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. Now that we have the screws out, we can take the top off. All you have to do is pull it back about an inch or so, far enough so these locking tabs come out, and then you can lift it off and set it aside. Now that we have the top off the machine, we have access to the check valve. It's located right here in the center of the machine, attached to the support bar. In order to change the part, we're going to release this little clamp. So all you have to do is untwist this and pull the hose out. Once you have that out, we can use our pliers to take this clamp off. Once you have the clamp compressed, you can just slide it up the hose. And then we can pull the hose off the check valve. If you can't get the hose off the check valve, all you have to do is use a small screwdriver to kind of break it free. And then you can pull it off. Now that you have the hose off, we're going to use a couple pliers to hold on to the check valve. You want to grab this side carefully. You don't want to grip it really tight and crack it, but you want to hold it tight enough so we can turn the upper nozzle. Once you have it broke free, you can just unscrew it by hand. Now that we have the upper nozzle out, we can dump out the check valve ball. Here's the old check valve ball next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we can put the new check valve ball in. You want to look down in this side of the connector and make sure your seal is still there and good. To put the check valve ball in, all you have to do is set it in there and then screw down the upper nozzle. And then you can grab your pliers and tighten it down so you get a good seal. Once you have it tightened down, we can reconnect the hose. To reconnect the water line, all you have to do is press it into place. And then we can grab our pliers and move the clamp up. Once you have the clamp in place, we can run the water line through the little clip holder. And then twist it back together to lock it in place. Once you have the check valve put back together, we can put the top back on the machine. To reinstall the washer top, we can set it down just like when we took it off, about an inch or so away from the tabs. Once you have them lined up, we can push it forward so it goes all the way in. Now that we have the top in place, we can use our Phillips screwdriver and put the screws back in. Now that we have the washer put back together, we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.